I am all set up at the Ottawa Wildlife Refuge for the biggest bird week. Woo! If you are in the area of Oak Harbor, come on by and see all the fun things. I have chickens, owls, new, cute, adorable little tiny charms. I have mystery bags, plants, hanging plants, flowers. I've been having fun with flowers, expanding from just my cactuses. And of course, I brought my little friend, my little fish with me. There's more flowers, some wearables, bandanas, pumpkin hats, apple hats, and mushroom berets. Yay!